If you're looking for a quality 9-volt lithium battery to replace batteries in your smoke detectors like I am here, or could be a walkie-talkie or other devices that take 9-volt batteries, then I recommend these Tenergy lithiums. These are a great battery that we discovered and are a great replacement that last a long time. They have a shelf life of 10 years, and so even if you're not using them right away, you stock up on them for other devices, flashlights, or either other devices that you would want to have power for if the power went out. These are 1200 mAh, and they come in a 2-pack. They also come in a 4-pack, 8-pack, and even more. So you can have plenty of batteries to stock up on. So I'm going to replace my 9-volt in my smoke detector. Just going to switch out my smoke detector battery right now. Okay, it works. So this is good for at least a couple more years, if not longer. So I highly recommend the Tenergy 9-volt battery. This has been a great battery for us. Thank you for watching the review.